Okay guys, so welcome to today's on web design, and today we'll be doing the second section in cloning a website. Okay guys, today the previous one was just ordinary cloning the website, but this we shall be looking at cloning the website and editing that clone website to our own personal suit that we want it. Okay, but eventually you have cloned a website and you want to add the details of yours to that of the cloning website, you'll be able to do that in this tutorial guys. Okay, so this is a website which we shall be cloning. Okay, this is a perfect and a web design website which will be cloning. Everything will be in the interface and will be in along with whatever we are cloning. So we'll be cloning this website, so we'll just be fast without any more explanation, because the first section of this cloning have already given us a clue, an idea on how to clone a particular website. So this is the link. I'll be copying the URL. I'll copy the URL, so I'll open my file. That is my software. That is Haystack website copier. Then click on my next. Name the project. You name the project. So click on next. Then you paste the URL here. Then you click on next. Click finish. So you allow it to finish cloning itself. Okay, just give it time to clone. Okay, guys. So okay guys, so you can see it has finished cloning. So you just click on exit. Then the next thing, you go to my computer to locate the clone file, because you always get it there. Okay, so you go to your hard disk, you locate your my website. So this is the cloning. I name it Kingsley. Okay, I name it Kingsley. So I'll just let me open it, let me see. Okay, so these are the files inside. So I'll just unzip it. Sorry, I'll just zip it. I'll have to zip it. Okay, just compress it. Okay, I have to compress it. Okay, so this is it. It has been compressed. Okay, so now, so you go to your, I have to open my cPanel. So this is my cPanel. And if you have a fresh cPanel, you don't need to do what I'm doing, but I will explain to you. Once you enter your cPanel, so the next thing is to go to your file manager. Now once you go to your file manager, you have to go to your public_html. Click on it. Once you click on that public_html, yours will be showing empty here. Okay, so don't mind mine is already occupied. I have a lot of things here. Yours will be showing empty. So what you just do is just to click on upload and attach that file name which you clone. But mine will be using a subfolder, a directory. I'll be creating a directory. Okay, I'll be creating a directory. I have a lot of directory. This is training.kcweb.center.com.ng. So I want to create a directory there, or simply I'll create a directory inside this KCWEB Tech Center. Okay, I'll create a directory. So I'll create a folder. I'll name the folder logistics. Create the folder. So this is the folder logistics. So I'll open it. You can see how mine is empty, so that is how yours will be empty when you open your public_html. Then I'll click on upload, attach select file. So I'll locate where that file is. I'll locate where the file is. My PC, hard disk, my website. So there's a Kingsley folder, the zip file Kingsley. Okay, so you give it time to upload. Okay, Okay, so it's showing green. Once it's showing green, just click on go back. Click here, go back. So this is the file, so you just have to right click, extract files, close. So you refresh, reload this page. So this is the file. Okay, now I've attached this file. Now the next thing for us to do is to move every files in this Kingsley toward logistics. Okay, so I open it, open Kingsley. So these are the files. So I select all, move. So you can see, so I'll just cancel. So you can see that I have kcwebtechcenter.com.ng/logistics/Kingsley. So we'll remove that Kingsley. Okay, it will now be kcwebtechcenter.com.ng/logistics because I'm moving every files which I clone in this Kingsley into logistics. So I'll move files. So all files have been moved. So if I open logistics, you can see all the old files now. Okay, so I can just delete this Kingsley here, delete it. Now everything has been set. Okay, so everything has been set. So the next thing is to open our website. So this is my primary domain, KCWEB Tech Center. That's my primary domain. Remember, I create a directory which will be using /logistics. Okay, logistics, that was the folder which we created, otherwise known as our directories. So it's showing htrack website copier. Okay, so you can see that it has opened the website. So this was the original, so this is the original website. So this is the one that we cloned. So you can see that everything is intact without any mistake, guys. So you can see, guys, you can see how it is very much easier. Okay, now it now comes to what the second segment on editing this website to our choice. Now peradventure you want to edit all these suffixes here. Okay, you want to edit something about category, go beyond logistics, make world go round. You want to edit it, come back to your words. So this is your folder. Come back to your folder. This is my index HTML. So edit. Click on edit. Okay. So if you know you can edit code, okay, if you can edit code, okay, this is not the place. We'll leave here. We'll leave here. So what you do now, if you have a folder of this nature, let me click on this folder. This is webtext.com.ng. Open it. Open it. This is the quick root. Remember the name here is quick root. Okay. Now open it. So these are the files. Okay. These are the images, CSS, fonts, image, JS, tracker, track, about us, air transport, bootstrap, contact us, frequently asked questions. Okay, so these are the files that was being used to build this website. Now we want to edit. Remember, this is the home page, always known as the index. Okay, so we'll have to locate, find our index_html. This is the index_html, and there are two. So you look for, check one, this first one first, click on edit, click on edit again. So you have to be looking for, let me see, about us, go beyond logistics. Let's see if we get that. Let's see if we get that. Okay, so you can easily change this title. Okay, you can change the title. Let me change this title. You will see the effects. Okay, Kingsley Logistics. Okay, you will see the title. So anything you want to change the home page, always go to your index_html. Okay, now if you want to change this image, you can see this image, right? can change this email. You can see change the email as Kingsley Logistics. Okay, so this is the email here too. So you must be careful when you are doing this editing. Okay guys, you must be careful. Okay, let's begin to look for that. Go beyond, we'll see it. Okay, just okay, so you can see it here. Go beyond logistics, make work go round. Okay, you can see it here. Go beyond logistics, make work go round. Now we want to change this. I want to edit this word now. Go beyond logistics. Okay, let's say I want to put a word flexible logistics you can trust. Okay, I've just done that editing. Now if that is all of the editing which I want to make in that home page, I'll just click save changes. Okay, so you can see success that we change. Remove the page. Now come to my Clo website, just click refresh. It take time to reflect, just continue refreshing. Okay, so okay guys, so you can see how it has reflected now. Okay, you can see flexible logistic you can trust. Remember, it was not flexible. Okay, so this was the original. Let's open the original. You can see go beyond logistics, but the one we clone now is flexible logistics. And you can look at the title bar now. You can see this is Kingsley Logistics, but here you will see quick route. Okay, so this is how you can change anything which you want to change. Okay, let's say for example also we want to change this logo. Okay, we want to change this logo in this one we clone. So you just right click on the logo, copy image address, open your tab bar, open it. So this is the logo. Okay, now let's save it. Let's save this logo now. Or you can put, you have anyone you want to use, you can use anyone. Or let's say you want to use the exact size, so you just save this one, use your editing media and edit that. But I have a particular logo which I want to use, so this one is being saved by Micromedia Fireworks. So this is a logo which you use to create anything. Okay, you use to create anything. So let's do that. So this is the logo which I save. Now if peradventure let's say I want to open it, because I already have this my Micromedia Firefox. Okay, open with, let's open it so you see what I'm talking about. This is the Fireworks. Okay guys, so my serial key has expired, so I have to get a new one for this. Okay, now if you don't want to do that, let's say you have a logo. I have a logo here which I want to use. Now the thing which you should just do is look at the name which they use in saving it, and this is my logo. So I'll just come, so without wasting anything, I'll go to my directory. I'll look for the folder, these images, go to images and look for anything called logo. This logo 3, no, just search for it. check resource, nothing there. Is contacts. Let's see this images, cargo. So you should be able to see your logo. Let's continue to search. Okay, okay guys, so now the thing is, this is how you check it. Look at the top bar here, this logo.png. okay, logo.png. so we'll come to these images again, come to images. Okay, let's go to this img as image. We already checked these images, right? You just have to be careful, check where. When you're doing yours, please just check where. Okay, let's check this master. Okay, because some developers, they can save things with so that you will not be able to detect. Okay, so you check everything in details. Now let's go there, so you can see this logo png. Okay, this logo png. So what you just do, it is the logo which you want to use, you just save it again, you rename it, that is logo.png. okay, now come to that place. This is the place, upload it, because when you upload will now replace the older one, the other one that was there before. So you look for the image of yours which you want to use. This is it, logo.png. Look, okay, sorry, there's a mistake here. Okay, please, there's a mistake there. I'll delete it. So guys, so the reason of that is this logo is being saved in PNG, and now the one I posted before I uploaded was saved in JPEG, so we have to make a correction. Okay, I'll go back to the image. This is my image which I want to use, so I'll open it. Now let me show you what I'm saying. This is one I saved from the website. Let me show you what I'm saying. Let me open properties. You can see type of file, this is PNG. Now you can see the one which I want to use. This one is saved in JPEG, so we have to convert it, and it must be the same thing with this. So open this file, I'll resave it, then save as. I'll put it in PNG, save as in PNG. Okay, then save. Where did I ever save it? Oh, my destination was not low. Let me see where I save it. I think it was in picture. It's in pictures. I save it in pictures, so I have to go and look for it. Pictures. You can look at it here. Okay. Okay. Let me open properties. You can see PNG. Okay, if I open this, you can see PNG. So you can see there's no difference anymore. So both are in PNG. So I'll just go back, upload it. Okay, just click upload, then select, go to my pictures, upload it. You can see the following file already exists on the server in the directory home. This is my logistic, blah blah blah. Say, do you want to continue your upload and overwrite these files? I'll say yes. So it will automatically overwrite this. So let me go home. So you can see it has been uploaded. Okay, it has been uploaded. So the next thing for us to do is we'll refresh the page, though to just take time. So you just be patient. It will just take a little time to reflect. Okay, it won't just reflect immediately. To take time to just reflect, and just give him time. Okay, so guys, so once we're still waiting for it to propagate, now if you look at it here, you can see that it has already been placed. This is the logo. I'll just right click on it. Let me see view, this view. So you can see the logo. You can see it has been uploaded, but it have to reflect on the website. So you can see the difference between this and this logo. Right, you can see the difference. So we just wait while it propagates itself. Okay guys, so as we are still waiting for the image, the logo to upload, we can just see edit other things before that will be done. Let's say for example you want to edit in this home page. We are seeing the whole page. Okay, let's say you want to edit this now. Okay, the strength comes with a theme. Okay, you want to change words, you can just come there, you go to this logistics, this web tech, quick roads. Okay, you see, go to the index_html. This is the index_html. You open it, right click, edit. So you look for, search for that, go far together, the strength comes with a theme. So you search for it. So you make sure you pay attention to all details. Please do not go and do any other thing. The thing is, once you mistakenly click anything or change any code here, everything will be look scattered, everything will look messed up. So don't do what you don't know. So let's look for it. We're already at the bottom. Okay, maybe we have passed it. We just have to look it carefully. Okay, we are still on it. The code is merged, so we just have to take our time to look for it. I think we're already there. I'm seeing. Okay, we're it now. Go far together, the strength comes with a theme. This D, you can just change it to our strength. Okay, this D, you can just change it to our strength comes with a theme. The difference is just D, our. So while I'm doing this is just for you to know what to do. So the next thing, click on save. Okay, once you click on save, cut it, you just go and refresh your page. Know that it will always take just a little time before you can see our strengths. You can see for the beginning, the original one comes with this strength. Now the one will copy our strength. So you can see, guys, so it's as easy as that. Why the logo is still taking time? The logo is taking time, yes, it's normal. the logo will take time for it to take its effect. Okay, so okay guys, so the thing is this: once you are able to do all this editing and you're able to insert your logo, everything will be good for you to go. Okay, so you don't need any other thing. So this is the process. If you want to change any write-ups in anywhere, like about us, pages, any of these, okay, you can do it. If you see something of this in this about, this in about now, you have to change something, maybe following your logistic chain. So you just come to that your file manager, you go to about, you go to this about here, okay, this about is already this about us 1.html. you just open it, edit it, then and this is about us. So you look for that word, okay, following your logistic chain. You look for the word for your logistic chain. Anything you want to change, you always see they are written in black. Okay, you can see it now, following your logistic chain. Okay, now I can just add to it the, as I say, Kingsley will be following your logistic chain. You click save. Now come to this about, I'll just have to do refresh. So you can see Kingsley will be following your logistic chain. And if you look at the original one, this is the original one we clone. The write-up is following your logistic chain. And look at one I've cloned, Kingsley. I just added Kingsley will be. Okay, so this is how you'll be able to what? To clone anything, any day, anytime. Okay, so the logo, why it's taking time, is always like that. Okay, it always takes time, so you just be patient when you are doing yours. If you want to confirm that, you can see the logo is already here, it's already in the server. Okay, it's already in the server, and it will take time to propagate. So this is the logo which we inserted. Okay, we uploaded. Right click view, you see this is the logo. Okay, you can see the logo. You can see the logo differs from the one here, right? So it means that what is already in the server, and it will take time for it to propagate so that you can see it. Okay guys, so that is how you can able to clone a website and also make editing in the website. Please guys, if you find this tutorial helpful and interesting, please always subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure you hit the like button and share it to others to watch this tutorial. Thank you guys for staying tuned. Hope to see you soon.